The power steering is making noise. The power steering fluid is like collecting on the frame rail and I guess like getting this all wet and gross. If you look at the other side, it's not all wet like that. After a while, the power steering level gets low and then I have to throw some more .3 in there. I don't want to have to keep doing that. Yeah, so you can definitely tell that the power steering is making that whining noise, and the power steering is forced through this hard hose under pressure down to the power steering rack, and then it comes back up through this hose, and this is low pressure. So all you have to do, if you have the same problem as me where it's like obviously leaking from the return hose, then kind of all the troubleshooting is done for you.
Careful, Icarus.
So all we're gonna have to do is remove these two clamps and then pull the hose off, and then we'll slide the new hose on at both ends and put the clamps back on. So I am gonna get a pair of channel locks or pliers or something. Actually, needle nose pliers work great for this. So here's the new hose, not dry and cracked, which is exactly what I wanted. Now I'm just going to transfer this clamp onto this other hose. And there we go. So now I'm going to put this end in the bottom. Okay, went on easy enough. Now let's try to get the clamp all the way down. Oh, it didn't leak. The hose is over both bumps and this clamp is in the middle. I think that's how it's supposed to be. Let's pour some power steering fluid in and see if it still makes noise. I think that we have solved our problem.
The next day.
If you fly into the sun, Icarus, and you'll die.
I think we're accidentally shooting a scene for the power steering video.
Ruh-roh, Raggy.
Oh, I'm stupid. I didn't put it on right. There's like a metal pipe. It's got like 2 bumps in it, and you're supposed to slide the hose over both bumps and then put the clamp in the middle. I even said that when I did this one, but I just did the other one wrong. Luckily, I anticipated needing tools. Where are my needle nose pliers? God damn it! Alright, we're using the vice grips. Oh, baby. Oh, and the vice grips hold on to it. That's actually great content. It's over both bumps in the hose now. Should be able to just pull it back up and release. Doesn't want to go over the hump. The hump is too round. My lovely lady lumps. Check it out. Okay, that's great. No funnel challenge.
No one has ever done that! No one has ever done that!
Nice shot. Great. It's right into the trash can. Oh.
Oh, I guess that...
Oh. Here I go, cleaning up other people's messes.
She's still leaking, and I got underneath the truck to take a look at the steering rack, and well, first thing to notice is this suspect pile of wet rocks. Now have a look at that rack and pinion. Both boots are wet. Those are dust covers. They're not supposed to have any liquid in them, so the seals at the end of the rack and pinion are just hemorrhaging fluid. Now, a rack and pinion is $500, and I just can't really afford that right now. So, in a few weeks, I'll do a Tacoma power steering part 2, where I actually replace this whole rack and pinion steering system. If you're still here at this point in the video, thank you for sticking around. I can tell by my analytics that most people who've watched my videos found them by search, and something like 96% of you aren't subscribed, so if you would like to see more videos on the Tacoma, on the MR2, and on the Ninja, subscribe, and if you feel like it, leave a comment telling me what you like about the channel. I'm not going to do anything that I don't want to do, but I might do things more often if it's something that viewers like you like. So let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.